When Narendra Modi returned for a third term as Prime Minister on this day last year, the buzz wasn't about his oath, it was about what he didn't achieve. The BJP's Ab Ki Baar 400 Par campaign had fallen short, and Congress leader Rahul Gandhi wasted no time declaring Modi psychologically finished. Pundits whispered of a fragile coalition with allies like Chandrababu Naidu's TDP and Nitish Kumar's JDU, known for political U-turns. Many expected instability. But 12 months on, the script has flipped. Coalition or cohesion? Far from shaky, the NDA under Modi has displayed unexpected solidity. Both TDP and JDU, rather than playing kingmakers, have turned into cheerleaders, backing major bills and praising Modi's leadership at every turn. Legislation like the Waqf Amendment Bill sailed through. Even the ambitious One Nation, One Election push is alive and advancing. From setback to stride. While the Congress failed to convert its 2024 gains into long-term momentum, the BJP went back to basics, rebuilding its electoral ground game. The result? Victories in Maharashtra, Haryana and a historic win in Delhi, ousting AAP in its own bastion. The India bloc, quietly unraveling, AAP and TMC are already drifting away. Modi's silent advantage. No majority, no problem, says political analyst Manoj Kumar. Modi remains unmatched in national politics, there is still no real alternative. Indeed, despite the rocky start, Modi's third term now looks anything but weak. The government moves with quiet confidence and Modi's approval ratings remain solid. What lies ahead? As elections loom in states like Bihar, West Bengal and Kerala, the BJP faces fresh tests. But with the opposition in disarray and Modi's image intact, the party seems more prepared than ever. 1 year ago, many thought Modi 3.0 began on the back foot. Today, it looks more like a calculated pause before a stronger push.
For more updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel TSW News. News that reveal the truth.